video, I have 30 free or cheap Christmas activities to help you stick to a budget with the school holidays coming up, and so everyone can still have a magical Christmas. So first off, Christmas lights. Whether you walk around your local neighbourhood or drive around the town or city to see what lights they have, visiting Christmas lights is a must. The next is salt dough. Salt dough is super simple to make, and if you make it well and you paint and varnish it properly, the children can have a great time and you've got decorations for years to come. Paper chains and making origami stars and things is a great way to spend an afternoon. You can use old gift wrap, and it's a great way for kids just to be creative and spend some time with you. Carol singing, you can find local carol singing events in your church or on your local town band's page, or just take a group of your family and friends around carol singing in the neighbourhood. Christingles. Christingles are great fun for kids to make, and a lot of local churches hold Christingle services, so make sure you check that out. They also hold crafting events sometimes, well ours does, to make the Christingles beforehand. A declutter and donate day is perfect for getting rid of those surplus kids' toys and things before Christmas, and it's a great way to teach kids the gift of giving. A practical craft idea is making your own cards, whether you do that yourself, scrapbooking or cross stitch, or you can just give your kids free rein. Give them some paints, crayons. Let them make cards for friends and family. And make sure you're making the most of your local library, whether that's just to take out some Christmas books with the children, or they sometimes put on craft events, Christmas events, so make sure you check out your local library and what they've got available for free. Christmas movie night or afternoon is a given in our house. Maybe provide some popcorn, hot chocolate, whatever works for your budget. Even invite people over. Make a big thing of it. Paper snowflakes are a little bit more time consuming, but they're still good fun. You can find tutorials on YouTube or TikTok. My kids love making these, and you can decorate the house with them. That goes for other foodie type decorations as well. You can dry orange segments or make popcorn garlands. It's great fun to do, and you have decorations for your house for this Christmas time. Now, if going out isn't in your budget this Christmas, why not invite people over? Everyone can bring a bottle or a plate of food and have a games night. And it's great fun, and you still get to have that social aspect of Christmas. And why not visit a Christmas market? You don't have to buy anything, just the atmosphere is magical, and have a little bit of a window shop, a little bit of look around, and just soak in the atmosphere. Christmas baking is another frugal/cheap activity. You can stick to simple recipes with simple ingredients, or you can even do no bake, such as crispy cakes, decorating biscuits, anything that works for your budget. And you can also make some food for the reindeers. This is fun for the children to do, but make sure it's wildlife friendly, and maybe use some birdseed or oats and sprinkle it outside on Christmas Eve. And Nuggly jumper competition would be great fun for family and friends, especially if everybody makes one themselves, like a DIY version. And of course, it wouldn't be Christmas without some homemade hot chocolate. I do like the slow cooker hot chocolate recipes, but any way you like to make a hot chocolate, homemade is best for sure. Now, if your kids are like my kids, an indoor picnic is amazing. Just laying out a blanket and having a festive feast on the floor could become a yearly tradition. It just, eating on the floor just makes all the difference, doesn't it, right? Now, if you have competitive siblings or cousins, why not hold a drawing competition or a colouring competition? Anything that's a competition is great for kids. Wreath making can be as expensive or as cheap as you like. You can use foliage from your garden, or maybe make it with old baubles or even out of paper if you're super crafty. Why not make it a Christmas tradition to go for a family winter walk, whether that's through the woodlands, through a park. You could even take a scavenger hunt for kids so they can find anything wintry or festive as you go around. Don't want to fork out for family Christmas photos? Why not do it yourself? Get your camera out, get everyone dressed up to the nines, and you'll get some lovely photos to cherish. And you've saved yourself a small fortune in doing so. And of course, you can't go wrong with a Christmas puzzle. It's great to have out for those quiet days, and you don't have to finish it all in one day. It's just nice to have something to do when you're bored. Another crafty idea is to make your own crackers, whether you do this with a kit or you make it using some leftover gift wrap and some toilet roll tubes. Super fun craft to do. And if you have some birdseed left over from the reindeer food, why not make some bird feeders? Birds could also use some TLC this Christmas time, and you can make some fat balls to hang in your trees. Now, have you thought about doing a toy exchange? If you go to baby group or have friends with children the same age as yours, holding a toy exchange is a brilliant way to get some new gifts and to get rid of some old toys. And that goes for books too. You could declutter some books and get some new books to gift or just for yourself for the Christmas season. Another alternative to a night out is to hold a karaoke night. Get everyone to bring a bottle, bring some food, and it's a great alternative to like an office Christmas party. But it's still good fun and a social evening. And if you do want to eat out, why not check out any cafes or shops local to you that do the children eat for £1 or less. This applies to people living in the UK, but you could have a much cheaper meal out if you take up this offer with the cafes that are currently providing it. And finally, number 30 is toasted marshmallows. If you have an open fire or a barbecue or a fire pit, this is a great option on a dry night to get everybody who gathered around wrapped up in blankets and toasted marshmallows. You could even have s'mores. So thank you for watching this Vlogmas video. I hope it's been useful to you, and I'll catch you tomorrow.